In this comprehensive tutorial, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of locating your YouTube channel directly from your mobile device. To begin, open any web browser on your phone and visit youtube.com. Once the website loads, switch to the mobile version by tapping on the designated option. Next, access your YouTube account by clicking on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, navigate to the Settings section. Within the settings, locate the Advanced Settings option usually found in the left-hand menu. Here, you'll discover both your user ID and YouTube channel ID conveniently displayed. Feel free to copy the channel ID for your specific needs. By following these simple instructions, you'll be able to easily retrieve your YouTube channel ID on your mobile device, allowing for seamless integration and utilization across various platforms. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more insightful tutorials.